data to play with, to be able to manipulate it. So I'm going to do that one.
And what did it say? I can't read that distance, so.
It just is the scan to cut data is what I chose.
It said data. All right.
Right, yeah, the data to get the information. So it shows it. We're going to do the same thing and prop it down, because it even picked up like on our little shadows that are on our mat, our little cut marks. You don't want to cut those.
You don't want those little dots to go on.
You need to cut
Have
that
a
off.
little perforated mat.
Right.
Does it know not to cut your mat?
It knows the depth of it, so that's why you have to use other mats on it. So this is our option if we want to do around the outside or the inside and the outside
Yeah,
of
there you
letters.
go.
So that's where you choose that one, and it'll do both of them. So it did it, and we'll say OK. And now we can save it to our machine. We can also send it Wi-Fi if we were connected to a computer. We can send that over, or put a USB in there and be able to save it to that. We're going to do it to the computer. So now it's on my machine, so I can go back to the home screen, especially since I haven't taken this out, I can cut it right on there. So we'll retrieve the data, save it to the machine. That's the last thing we did. And now we're going to say, okay, I had scanned that out previously. Okay, okay, and then cut. That's weird. So that's another feature is that it's whisper quiet now. You'll hear when it's checking how deep it needs to cut something, but after that it's quiet.
It is pretty quiet.
That's the insides and
All right.